7 ways military chefs are trained to cater for their organization. When people think about the military, they often think about combat, strategy, and discipline. But behind every successful operation is a powerful support system. And one of the most important parts of that system is food. Military chefs are not just cooks. They are logistics professionals, nutrition planners, crisis responders, and leaders. Today, we will explore 7 major ways military chefs are trained to effectively cater for their organization, whether in peacekeeping missions, training camps, or wartime environments. 1. Structured culinary training within the military. Military chefs undergo formal culinary training through their nation's military institutions. For example, chefs in the United States Army receive structured food service training before being deployed to operational units. This training includes large-scale meal production, institutional cooking techniques, standardized recipes, kitchen discipline. They are trained to cook for hundreds or thousands, not just individuals. 2. Large-scale catering and mass feeding systems. Unlike restaurant chefs, military chefs are trained in mass catering systems. They learn batch cooking methods, portion control accuracy, production scheduling, efficient serving line systems. Their goal is consistency, speed, and nutritional balance, even under pressure. 3. Nutrition and performance-based meal planning. Military feeding is tied directly to performance. Chefs are trained in calorie calculation, macronutrient balance, hydration planning, energy-dense food preparation. Meals are designed to sustain soldiers during intense physical and mental activities. Nutrition science plays a major role in military culinary training. 4. Field cooking and mobile kitchen operations. Military chefs are trained to operate in extreme environments. They learn how to cook using mobile field kitchens, manage fuel-based cooking systems, prepare meals with limited resources, maintain hygiene in outdoor settings. In many cases, chefs must cook in temporary camps or moving units. 5. Food safety and sanitation under pressure. Foodborne illness can cripple a unit faster than combat. Military chefs receive strong training in hazard control systems, temperature monitoring, safe storage practices, cross-contamination prevention. Even in remote areas, strict hygiene standards must be maintained. 6. Logistics and supply chain coordination. Military chefs are trained beyond cooking. They understand logistics. They learn how to forecast food quantities, manage ration distribution, track inventory, coordinate with supply units. In many cases, chefs work closely with logistics officers to ensure uninterrupted feeding operations. 7. Leadership and discipline training. Military chefs are soldiers first, chefs second. They receive leadership training similar to other military personnel. This includes team management, crisis response, operational discipline, following chain of command. Because in military settings, kitchen operations must align with overall mission objectives. Throughout history, well-organized military kitchens have played a crucial role in sustaining armies. Modern military culinary units have evolved to combine professional culinary techniques, nutrition science, logistics management, tactical adaptability. Military chefs operate in one of the most structured food systems in the world. Military chefs are not ordinary cooks. They are nutrition planners, logistics coordinators, crisis-ready food service professionals, leaders within structured systems. Their training prepares them to feed large populations efficiently, safely, and strategically under any condition. Behind every strong military unit is a well-fed team, and behind that team is a highly trained culinary professional. If you found this educational, like and share this video. Comment below, would you consider military culinary training as part of professional development? Follow Chef James and Associates for more structured food systems and culinary insights.